What's up, guys, and welcome to another edition of Cooking with Puddin'. Now, Darcizzle's got me doing so much stuff this afternoon, I don't know what's even going on, so bear with me. I got 3 orders of business, first off, to talk about. Now, what we're having Florida Pompano Macadamia nut encrusted with a coconut lime sauce. I know it sounds delicious, and it's gonna be. So right now, and the recipe is gonna be in the description below, guys, so it'll be in there. So right now, I got some coconut milk, reducing, and we're gonna add some lime juice. That's gonna be the sauce. Then we're gonna take our pompano and we're going to dredge it in some egg, and then I got a nice macadamia nut encrusted and panko breadcrumbs all mixed together, and we're gonna encrust it with that, and then we're gonna brown it, put it in the oven to bake it, final up. It's gonna be awesome. And just to touch on another point, when Darcy does a great job out there filleting the fish, she brings it in here, and then I use the knives to just clean up the fish and double check it, and mainly just to make sure I have even pieces to cook, because you don't want to be, you don't bake things the same time if it's 1 inch or 2 inches or whatever. And sometimes there's stuff in here that's not going to cook right, like this little tail is going to cook like crap, and I'll just check for pin bones and stuff like that. Okay, so that's a really great product that we've been using. Let's get to the cooking. I'm waiting on this to reduce. And then we're gonna do the next step. The next step is gonna be dredging and browning this fish. I put some salt and pepper on it, and pretty simple, like we like to do a lot around here. I'm gonna put it in the egg and cover with macadamia nuts. This is gonna be so good, Darcizzle, I can't believe it. Now we left the skin on. I mean, you could obviously take the skin off if you want, but this particular recipe, I don't think it really matters. All right, so I'm gonna basically do this to all these fish fillets. We're gonna brown them for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're gonna bake them in the oven for about maybe 4 minutes, but they're pretty thin, maybe less than that. And we'll show you that process as well. But pretty simple so far. And Darcy's actually, I mentioned that sauce she's making, that's still reducing. That coconut takes a long time because it's a bunch of coconut and lime juice, and it also has jalapenos in it, so it's gonna be delicious. We baked the jalapenos, and Darcy is right now out of camera range skinning those, and then we're gonna mix it into that coconut right there. It's gonna be pretty crazy. I got all that fish browned on one side. Now what you can do is just brown it in here and then put it right in the oven on this nice pan that you guys gave me, of course. Thank you again. But we have so much fish because Connor is so hungry that we're gonna actually bake it on a big pan like this. So same thing, all good. That's only gonna bake for like 5 minutes. I'm not even sure it's gonna take that long because it's so thin, and as you know, I always tell you guys, 10 minutes an inch. So that's gonna go real fast. Now we're gonna get right to the sauce. Sauce time, and I get to use, again, my Vitamix mixer. So do you guys know, there's only 2 types of people in the world. One type has a Vitamix mixer, and the other type wishes they had a Vitamix mixer. This thing's incredible. But in here, we already have some lime juice and peeled jalapeno peppers and a little bit of salt. We're gonna dump this reduced coconut milk in here without making too much of a huge mess. Can you believe I didn't screw that up? Darcy can't. And then we're just gonna mix it up. Whew. All right, guys, we got quite a feast here.
Yes, we've been so excited for this meal for days. The only thing that's missing is my dad. I wish he was here because it would be awesome. But anyways, we're as a family here hanging out, and Connor's here enjoying the last days here, and we're having an epic meal in his memory. But we gotta try it. Let's do it. Whoa, it's peeling right off the skin.
Super delicious.
Delicious.